Hi everybody, it's Debbie at Inkylicious. I'm going to be doing a series of quick Christmas cards, and this is one of the first ones that we'll be showing you. We're going to be using the blending brushes, Memento Paris Dusk, Rosebud, Dandelion. We're going to be using the Winter Bough stamp, Fluffy Puffy stuff, and an acrylic paint pen. So I hope you join me and have a go at doing this. This is just a lovely quick card, and using your blending brushes you can change the colours to suit yourself, but I'm just doing the typical primary colours because then obviously we'll get the nice purples and oranges out of this. All we're going to do first is pick up some blue and then just start to blend some on there. This doesn't have to be perfect by any means. And I'll move into some pink. So as you can see, we start to get some purple. If you feel you want a bit more depth of colour, then pop a bit more on. We'll move into the yellow. And that's the first part done. So what we'll do is move these out the way and we'll move on to step 2. Step 2, you need some water and you need a brush. Any kind of brush will do this. I'm going to use one of our old ink dusters, and all you're going to do, it's up to you, you can either dip into the water or just spray. This isn't watercolour paper, this is Bristol Smooth, and all I'm going to do now is just sweep across. If you want to bring it down slightly, you can. And that's it. That's all you're going to do on this one. So what I'll do is I'll just get the heat gun and dry this off. So we're all dry. I'll just shape the card back a bit more now. And what we're going to do is just use the Winter Bough to stamp the image now. So I've got an acrylic block and my Winter Bough stamp. Now you can choose to use all or part of this. You can stamp along, you can add further branches to it. So this is Versifying Claire Fallen Leaves. So just allow the ink time just to transfer onto the card. And so you can play about with this and see if you'd like a few more branches anywhere. So I think I'm gonna build the corner up a little bit more. I'll turn that and add so that's your branch. Now we can play with some fluffy puffy stuff. So all you're going to do is just gently squeeze the tube and you'll see it start to come out. And you only need a small amount of this. So pop some on the berries. And then what we can also do is add some to the branches. Right, so for this you need either a hot hairdryer will do it, or a heat gun. And to get it to raise, get your heat gun up to temperature. I'm going to put mine's a 2-speed, so I'm just going to put mine on a lower heat. I'll try and show you a bit closer. So as you start to heat it, the Fluffy Puffy will start to expand and rise. So it gives you that lovely dimension. So what I'll do now is I'll just pop some on and show you how to add glitter if you did want to pop some glitter on it as well. So I'll add some sparkle into these areas. So what we're going to do is grab some glitter, and shake it off, and wherever you've put your glitter now will stick to the Fluffy Puffy stuff. So again, I'm just going to heat this up and then I'll be back. So now we have the card, which I don't know if you can see, with some glitter and sparkle on it. Right, we'll get the acrylic paint pen again, give it a good shake first. Just test it just to make sure there's some ink down to the nib, and then using a brush or whatever you have on hand, you can add some nice snow. And the sentiment I'm going to stamp is from the Wonderful Christmas stamp set, and I'm going to use It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. And again, I'll use the same Fallen Leaves Versifying Clay. So I'm using a stamp paddle to do this. And what a stamp paddle allows you to do, it's a handle with a block at the end, but you can hover instead of having your hands over the block and trying to see what the overall effect would be. So I can just hover with no hands in the way to see where I want to, and we'll go there. And that's the card. So I'll mat and layer this up, and then I'll be back in 2 minutes. So we'll just pull out the remaining tape. There you have a lovely, nice, bright but festive Christmas card. So I'll be back tomorrow with another quick demo for you. Hope you can join us. Bye.